Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the workspace so docking is immediate. Open Autocad and a drawing, then choose a workspace that displays the ribbon. This ensures ribbon panels are present. Make sure no floating dialogues overlap the ribbon area. Next, right-click any ribbon tab area to expose the ribbon context menu. This gives the controls you need. Once done, confirm you can toggle the ribbon with the ribbon command or Control+0, so you can test docking after positioning. You'll now perform the actual docking action. Click and hold a ribbon tab, drag the ribbon away from its current position, and watch for the translucent docking outline. That outline indicates valid dock targets. Move the outline to the top edge or a corner for a secure dock. Corners give extra stability if you resize windows. Make sure to drag by the tab area to avoid moving individual panels. After release, Visual Studio-like snapping locks the ribbon in place. Test by you're finishing up and locking in the change. Save the current workspace so the ribbon stays docked across sessions. Use Workspace Save and name it. If docking fails, close the ribbon with ribbon close, then reopen with ribbon and try again. This resets docking detection. Also disable any floating palettes or toolbars that overlap edges because they can prevent the docking outline from appearing. If that still fails, reset the workspace to defaults and reconfigure. That clears corrupted UI layouts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.